This is Nathaniel back with coding-bootcamps.com, and in this video we're going to pick up where we left off talking about the aggregation pipeline and how you can add more operations into it. Specifically, we want to talk about this one operator, which is really useful. If you remember what I was talking about last video, over in our queries.js file that we had written in a previous section, we were sorting, and before we sorted our data, we were actually specifying a parameter to look for. So we weren't getting all of our data and sorting it. We were only getting employees in the IT department and then sorting based on their last name. So we're going to do something similar to that, but again using the aggregations pipeline. So in this case we're going to use the match keyword, and we're just going to specify department IT, and then we're going to use sort, and just like in the last video, we're going to sort in ascending order on salary. So if we save this and go to our terminal and clear this data out, and just think, you can even pause the video, what data are you expecting if we're matching on IT department and sorting by salary? How many employees will be returned? And what do you expect the first and last salaries to be? So we see we have 3 employee records because, again, we're matching on the IT department. And we are sorting by salary. So we see that the lowest salary is first, the next salary is next, IT department, and the last salary is the highest, and again, IT department. So all 3 employees are in the IT department, and we sorted by salary. Mission accomplished. And we're going to continue on in aggregations in the next video. See you there.